Hi students, I just wanted to go over instructions on how to do this acid and bases lab online, okay? So you are watching this video and you found this video just right here on the assignment page for the acid and bases lab. The next thing you're going to do is click on the acid and base lab, and this will pop up this lab. Now, for some of you, it will probably pop up and say something about the Adobe Illustrator not working or something with Adobe not working. If you look on your screen right here, there's probably going to be a puzzle piece. Click on that puzzle piece, and the very first thing it'll kind of ask you about allowing Adobe Flash Player to run. And you're going to click on Allow it to run, and then refresh the page. And then I'll probably say something over here saying, are you sure you want to allow it to run? So those are just the steps for those of you who don't have it pop up right away. Okay, so if it does not pop up like this right away, click on the puzzle piece. You want to play around and have it allow Adobe Flash Player to run. Refresh the page and then allow it to run, okay? So this is what it's going to look like, and there are several different liquids you can choose to kind of play around with and to figure out what the pH is. So let's go ahead and test out spit. Why not? Okay, so I am just going to squirt some spit in here. It looks like I squirted about, do one more. So I put about 0.20 liters of spit in there. And then I'm going to take my pH meter and see what the pH is. So this has a pH of 7.4. So that means it is slightly basic. It's not super, super basic, but it's more basic. And then let's say I wanted to add some water to it. So I'm going to put some water in here. I added about 0.33 liters of water to get to 0.52, and it is becoming more and more neutral. So that's what you'll be doing for the lab today. Okay, so if you go back to this worksheet on this page, this acid and base worksheet down here, it has a table for you to fill out some examples, okay? So you're going to fill in this entire table, and the last 3 rows are blank down here. That means you're going to choose the own solutions to test, choose your own amount of the solution, and then choose your own amounts of water. So for these first 4, I kind of told you what to test. I want you to test drain cleaner with 0.1 liters and 0 liters of water. So let's see what that will look like. So I'm going to test drain cleaner with 0.1 liters. So close. There we go. And it said 0 liters of water, so this is what I'm testing. And I have a 13.00. That's very, very, very basic. Now the next, so you write that down right here. You write down your pH. And then you would write down if that's acidic, basic, or neutral. Now you're going to test that again, but add some water to it and write down the pH if it's an acid, base, or neutral. And you're going to do that for orange juice. And then you're going to go down to the next 3 lines. Like I said earlier, choose your own liquids. Choose your own amount of the liquid. Choose any amount of water if you want to add water to it. Write down the pH. Write down if it's acid, base, or neutral. Then I have 3 questions here that you will need to answer. Each question is 1 point. And I am looking for complete sentences for these questions, okay? And that is all you're doing for this lab. So, clicking on the acid or base lab, filling in this table by running those simulations, and answering these 3 questions. Then the last thing is you're going to click the blue submit button over here. A lot of you last time had some issues with submitting. If you do not know if it's submitted or not, just email me and I can let you know, okay? But real quick, just a review. If this does not pop up right away, if it says Adobe Flash Player isn't running, check to see if there's a puzzle piece right here. Click on that puzzle piece, and it should be the very first button you can slide over on that puzzle piece when it pops up, and it should say Allow Adobe Flash Player. Then click on refresh. Then there'll be another thing right here saying, are you sure you want to allow Adobe Flash Player? Say yes, and then it will pop up. If you are having a hard time at that, let me know, and we can do a quick Google Meet, and you can share your screen with me, and we can go over it. Okay? Awesome. Any questions, please email me. Okay, good luck.